Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to block payments on Lloyds Bank. First, let's start with card subscriptions. To manage them, open the Lloyds Bank app and log into your account. After signing in, select the account connected to your debit card. Next, tap the three-dot button at the top right and select the account menu or account settings. In the account menu, choose Manage Subscriptions. You will now see a list of all active subscriptions. Select the one you want to stop. From here, you can block future payments so the merchant cannot charge your card again. If you change your mind later, you can return to the same section and unblock the subscription. Now let's move to direct debits. These are different because they are set up using your bank account details, and they are often used for bills like electricity, phone, or insurance payments. To stop a direct debit, open the Lloyds Bank app and log in. Choose the account where the payment is coming from, and again open the account settings. Tap on Regular Payments to see all your active direct debits. Find the one you want to cancel, then slide it to the left and tap Delete. Confirm the action when asked, and the direct debit will be removed from your account. Always make sure you are canceling the correct payment to avoid missing important bills or services. Thanks for watching.